Hello everybody and welcome to it's a pretty atypical video. I'm here in my car and I was thinking I need to change my clock due to daylight saving time. And I thought there's a bunch of other people who need to do the same thing. So, for everyone who has a 2009 Honda Civic, this video is for you. This is how you change your clock. First thing you do, put your key in, turn it one click so then you're not wasting your battery so much. Come over here to the center console and your AM, FM, this is a stock radio by the way if that matters. Come to this, it says clock right next to it. Hold this button down, it's going to beep, and then there's your time, it's going to flash. Move this up and down to change your hours, this up and down to change your minutes, like so. And you can't go down, I learned that, so make sure on the minutes especially that you have it done right. That's about it. Once you're done, hit the clock button and everything will be set. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.